just got done feeding kitty cats. See? Ooh. So, wanted to get a little bit of videoing done while the light was still good. As I got home from work and hopped outside and started feeding right away. Just got done, and as you can see, the sun is setting, and good light is a precious commodity when you enjoy filming things in the outdoors. So we're gonna go have a little bit of a post-feed walkabout. Just a post-feed walkabout. Just see some kitty cats. Try to do a little bit of a YouTube post on the daily. Oh, hello. Hi. Hey, BB. Hello. And I realized that I didn't have anything preloaded in my gallery. 'Cause you gotta realize that I have a lot of stuff that I just go outside and I'll film like 10 2-minute clips. I'll just have them in my phone, and then I'll slowly siphon them. I'll slowly drip them out as I need to make a post, whether it be on Vine or Instagram or Twitter or the YouTubes. Me guy, she got a body. Oh my gosh, she's so very proud. So very proud of herself. Got a calf body. OMG. Whoa. So yeah, now you know a little bit about that behind the scenes stuff. Because sometimes there's some days I don't have a lot of time to do much filming at all. So I gotta get stuff. I gotta get stuff stuffed in the can. I don't think she's gonna come over. Nope, she's not gonna come over. She says no, thank you. And I do put these posts up for the most part on it. I usually make 5 to 6 YouTube posts a week, I would say. Ooh, something like that. That's the average time. Oh my gosh. There's carnage and absolute adorableness in the same frame. And I swear, apex predators are some of the only animals, they're the only creatures in the world who are capable of such a thing. Complete and utter carnage. And teeth exploding adorableness. Just, it's amazing. It's amazing what they're capable of. Oh, this guy's giving me the stink eyes. This guy's giving me the stink eyes. He says, no thank you, sir. He says, /Derek. He says no Derek's allowed. No Derek's allowed. There we go. Alright. I leave you alone, mister. I leave you alone. Grass, grass, grass. Grass, grass, grass. Minicast, minicast. Do 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 do. Minicast, minicast. Boo doo boo 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 boo. Minicast. Ras. Would you like to be a part of this minicast, Ras? A Rascast? A Rascast. He's a little bit apprehensive. I don't know if I should leave my meat. I don't know if I should leave it unguarded. I will say no to your invitation. I must respectfully decline. Oh my goodness! Boo says no, sir. These are my proteins. Proteins, bro. Those are my proteins. I'm gonna buy them a bunch of times just to show you whose proteins they are. Oh my gosh, 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 gosh. Oh my gosh. Just proteins. See what I'm doing? You can't do that. Only I can do that. Only I can do that. You can't do that. It's not for you. Not for you. Chomp chomp. Hi. Hello. Hey, big guy. Hey, big fella. Hey. Hey, bud. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Very handsome. Very handsome. You sniff? You sniff? You sniff? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You throw such a fit. You throw such a fit. And then you come over here. What are you trying to prove? You are such a, oh, you're such a little turd. You are so bad. You're so bad. You put up such a stink. And now look at you. Ah, Tabula, you are a mess. You are the messiest of messes that had ever messed in the history of messes. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. You sniff? Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh. She says, I just want to rub, I just want to give affection. I don't want you to try to approach me or give me your affection. Only I can give affection. Affection can only go one way in a Tabula relationship. That's how it goes. Affection cannot go the other way. That's how it is. Take it or leave it. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, look at you. Oh, I love you so much. I love you so much. Just because you're nuts. Just because you're so nuts. Oh, Boo. You're such a good girl. You're such a good girl. All right. I'll talk to you folks later.